Namaste. Hamesha khush raho bitiya. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you creativity and innovation in entrepreneurship in subject entrepreneur portfolio in discipline food and biotechnology. Now let's start the topic. What is creativity? Creativity. Creativity is defined as the tendency to generate or recognize ideas, alternatives, or possibilities that may be useful in solving problems, communicating with others, and entertaining ourselves and others. Creativity is the ability to come up with new ideas and to identify new and different ways of looking at a problem and opportunities. A process of assembling ideas by recombining elements already known but wrongly assumed to be unrelated to each other. This definition has several key elements that are worth considering. These elements are, first of all, process. Creativity is also a process implying, among other things, that is more like a skill than an attitude and that you can get better at it with practice. Ideas. Creativity results in ideas that have potential value. Recombining. Recombining is the creative process is one of putting things together in unexpected ways. Three reasons why people are motivated to be creative. First is need for novel, varied, and complex stimulation. Second is need to communicate ideas and values. Third is need to solve problems. In order to be creative, you need to be able to view things in new ways or from a different perspective. Among other things, you need to be able to generate new possibilities or new alternatives. Test of creativity measures not only the number of alternatives that people can generate, but the uniqueness of those alternatives, the ability to generate the alternatives or to see things uniquely does not occur by the change. It is linked to others. More fundamental qualities of thinking, such as flexibility, tolerance of ambiguity or unpredictability, and the enjoyment of things heretofore unknown. Thus, creativity is the development of ideas about products, practices, services, or procedures that are novel and potentially useful to the organization. This is the creative process. In step 1, opportunity or problem recognition. Step 2 is immersion. Step 3 is incubation. Step 4 is insight. And step 5, there is a verification and application. In opportunity or problem recognition, a person discovers that a new opportunity exists or a problem needs resolution. In immersion step, the individual concentrates on the problem and becomes immersed in it. He or she will recall and collect information that seems relevant, dreaming up alternatives without refining or evaluating them. Incubation is the person keeps the assembled information in mind for a while. He or she does not appear to be working on the problem actively. However, the subconscious mind is still engaged while the information is simmering. It is being arranged into meaningful new patterns. Insight step is the problem conquering solution flashes into the person's mind at an unexpected time, such as on the verge of sleep, during a shower, or while running. Insight is also called aha or eureka or experience. Then verification and application. The individual sets out to prove that the creative solution has merit. Verification procedures include gathering supporting evidence, using logical persuasion, and experimenting with new ideas. Then personality traits of creative people. These are persistence, self confidence, independence, attraction to complexity, tolerance of ambiguity, intuitiveness, have broad interests, and are energetic, drive to achieve, love their work, and ready to take risks. Barriers of creativity, excessive focus on extrinsic motivation, limits set up by superior, critical evaluation, close controlling supervision, competition in a win loss situation, then control of decision making, control of information, blindly following the rules, constantly being practical, becoming overly specialized, then fearing looking foolish, and fearing mistakes and failure. Then innovation. Innovation is the implementation of new ideas at the individual, group, or organizational level, a process of intentional change made to create value by meeting opportunity and seeking advantage. First is process. Innovation is a process implying, among other things, that it can be learned and managed. Then intentional, that process is carried out and on purpose. Change, it results in some kind of change. Value, the whole point of change is to create value in our economy, society, or individual lives. Then opportunity, entrepreneurial individuals enable tomorrow's value creation by exploring for it today, having ideas, turning ideas into marketable insights and seeking ways to meet opportunities. Advantage, at the same time they also create value by exploiting the opportunities they have at hand. Then types of innovation. There are four distinct types of innovation. These are as follows. First is invention, described as the creation of new product, service, or process, something that have not been tried before. Then extension, the expansion of an existing product, service, or process. This would mean that entrepreneur takes an existing idea and applies it differently. Then duplication, copying or replicating an existing product or service and then adding the entrepreneur's own creative touch in order to improve it. Then synthesis, a combination of more than one existing products or services into a new product or service. This means that several different ideas are combined into one new product or service. Then innovation process, analytical planning, carefully identifying the product or service features, design as well as the resources that will be needed. Then resource organization, obtaining the required resources, materials, technology, human or capital resources. Third is implementation, applying the resources in order to accomplish the plans. Fourth is commercial application, the provision of value to customers, reward employees, and satisfy the stakeholders. Five myths regarding innovation. Innovation is planned and predictable. Technical specifications should be thoroughly prepared in advance. Then creativity relies on dreams and blue sky ideas. Fourth one is big projects will develop better innovations than the smaller ones. And fifth one is technology is a driving force of innovation and success. Then entrepreneurship. As we all know that entrepreneur is a French word, entreprendre, which means to undertake. Richard Cantillon, entrepreneurs are non-fixed income earners who pay known costs of production but earn uncertain incomes. Various researchers gives various definitions to the entrepreneur, and Jean Baptiste say an entrepreneur is an economic agent who reunites all the means of production, land of one, the labor of another, and the capital of yet another, and thus produces a product. By selling the product, is this in the market, he pays rent of land, wages to labor, interest on capital, and what remains is his profit. He shifts economic resources out of an area of lower and into an area of higher productivity and greater yield. David McClelland says an entrepreneur is a person with a high need for achievement. He is energetic and a moderate risk taker. And Peter Drucker says an entrepreneur searches for change, responds to it, and exploits opportunities. Innovation is a specific tool of an entrepreneur. Hence, an effective entrepreneur converts a source into resource. Then Ronald May says an entrepreneur is someone who commercializes his or her innovation. Scumpter says entrepreneurs are innovators who use a process of shattering the status of the existing products and services to set up new products. They employ the gale of creative destruction to replace in whole or in part inferior offering across markets and industries, simultaneously creating new products and new business models. Thus, creative destruction is largely responsible for the dynamism of industry and long-term economic growth. Frankish Knight says entrepreneurship is about taking risk. The behavior of entrepreneur reflects a kind of person willing to put his or her career and financial security on the line and take risk in the name of an idea, spending much time as well as capital on an uncertain venture. Knight classified three types of uncertainty: risk, which is measurable statistically, such as the probability of drawing a red color ball from a jar containing five red balls and five white balls. Then ambiguity, which is hard to measure statistically, such as probability of drawing a red ball from a jar containing five red balls but an unknown number of five white balls. Then true uncertainty, which is impossible to estimate or predict statistically, such as the probability of drawing a red ball from a jar whose number of red balls is unknown, as well as the number of other colored balls. Then creativity and innovation and entrepreneurs. Creativity is thinking new things and innovation is doing new things. Creativity is the ability to develop new ideas and to discover new ways of looking at problems and opportunities. Innovation is the ability to apply creative solutions to those problems and opportunities in order to enhance people's lives or to enrich society. Entrepreneurship is creativity and innovation. Then from creativity to entrepreneurship, creativity is thinking new things and innovation is doing new things. And what is entrepreneurship? Creating value in the marketplace. Creativity is the ability to develop new ideas and to discover new ways of looking at the problem and opportunity. Innovation is the ability to apply creative solutions to those problems and opportunities in order to enhance people's lives or to enrich society. Entrepreneurship is the result of disciplined, systematic process of applying creativity and innovation to needs and opportunities in the marketplace. Entrepreneurs are those who marry their creative ideas with the purposeful action and structure of a business. Researchers believe that entrepreneurs succeed by thinking and doing new things or old things in new ways. Then summary and conclusion. The change that entrepreneurs brings about is through creativity and innovation. Therefore, it is not surprising to see that entrepreneurs are among the more creative and innovative players of organizational change. Creativity requires someone to add value in the marketplace through the innovation process. From the idea generation to the successful product development and launch, innovation is the seed bed for the change. Charged with the coordination of the innovation process are the entrepreneurs. It is the job of the entrepreneurs to be creative in identifying the gap in the market and innovate a product to fill this gap. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.